This is about Simply Coach, and we at Proventus HR have been in the business 6 years, working across leadership development, coaching, and journeys wherein we bring leadership development and the coaching together. And all these 5 years, we partnered heavily with firms that can provide us technology in terms of simulations or learning enhancements. And one of the crying needs, especially for people, organizations like us, wherein we were looking at journeys with blended learning and coaching, was how do we enable a lot of this, or at least do the administrative bit using a platform. And that was the primary search that we were in for. And then, of course, we came across Simply Coach, uh, which, when we explored, gave us multiple options. Very honestly, uh, not only did it provide us tremendous amount of flexibility in terms of how we could configure our components. It provided us an ability to keep every participant at the same page as we went along the journey. And it also helped us plug in our coaching that goes along with the journey. And when I say coaching, and that's the primary platform that it allows us to do our 360s. It allows us to customize them, create our own. It allows us to do various check-ins, nudges. It also has an engine that automatically helps us schedule those meetings, put them in the calendar for the participants sufficiently in advance, and manage our reminders for us. So removing a lot of that administrative process. From a value add point of view, I think it's phenomenal because after every conversation that we have, whether it's part of a leadership intervention or whether it's part of the coaching intervention, when we go along in the journey, I think immediately after the scheduled end of that particular conversation, an auto reminder or auto reflection note goes to the participants, including the coach, and capturing in terms of what were the reflections on the session or the discussion. So whole host of these tools have, in my view, and that's the first set of journey that we are almost towards the end of now, is the value add that it provides, the mind share that it's able to achieve with the participants and nudge them or encourage them towards traction is phenomenal value add for us. Uh, we are now looking at being able to put most of our journeys on the platform. Uh, and of course, highly responsive in terms of support. Uh, because for us, we were trying to do a new thing using a coaching platform and building journeys on this. I think tremendous support from Ram, Kiran, and the team. Uh, we obviously were stuck in a couple of places, not being able to understand how the features work, but we got quick support not only online through the web interface, but also, if required, on call. Uh, and the best part is, having seen us through this building of a journey on the platform, the team responded well and has already put in a cohort feature wherein one can plan a cohort journey over a period of 6 to 9 months, which typically is what the coaching relationships run for. So it allows me to have a mass coaching engagement uh, with a similar calendar running across all these cohort or this probably, let's say, an organization, and it helps me map it without having to kind of worry about an X feature for one and a Y feature for the other. So I think that's been a tremendous help, and good tool, great tool, in fact. And I'm saying this because we have explored multiple tools through our journey to be able to help us manage our process, our journeys in a much more effective manner. Uh, but once we have created the journey here, we really haven't had much of an administrative hassle in terms of scheduling or managing the day-to-day intervention, the day-to-day reminders, the day-to-day ticklers, or even capturing the updates, capturing the coaching action plan sheets, or being able to review them as in how it goes along.